Okay, let's jump in. We're doing a deep dive on a very specific piece of hardware today, the AudioFetch FETCH32-A01.
Right. And the first thing you notice is the price tag.
Yeah, I saw that. We're talking over $5,000. So the big question is, why? Why is a box that sends TV audio to your phone worth that much?
Well, that price tells you it's a serious, professional-grade solution. Think about the problem it's solving in, say, a huge sports bar or a gym.
All those muted TVs.
Exactly. You've got dozens of screens, and this system, with its 32-plus channels, lets a huge number of people listen to any of them in real time on their own phones.
And that real-time part is key, right? The latency has to be basically zero.
It's everything. If the audio of the touchdown call comes even half a second after you see it on the screen, the whole product is a failure. Guaranteed low latency is their main promise.
So they've cleared that technical hurdle, but what about the person, the customer who just walked into the bar? How easy is it for them?
It has to be dead simple, or no one will use it. And it is. You connect to the venue's Wi-Fi, open their free app.
Which is on iOS and Android?
Yep, and you're in. It just connects, no codes, no pairing, nothing. They even have this feature called Rapid Refetch in case your Wi-Fi drops for a second.
And on the other side, for the business owner installing it.
That's the other part of the magic. It's plug and play. There's really no complex configuration. And it works with pretty much any audio source you can imagine.
What do you mean?
It accepts analog, optical, or digital coax inputs. So whether you're hooking it up to brand new TVs or like 10-year-old treadmills, it just works.
Okay, that versatility is a big deal for places with mixed equipment. So that gets us past the tech and into the business side. How does a venue get a return on that $5,000 investment?
It starts with not breaking what they already have. I mean, the bandwidth consumption is incredibly low.
How low are we talking?
The sources say it's about 100 kilobits per second for each person listening.
Wow. Okay, put that in perspective for us.
Well, just streaming a regular video can take, a few thousand kilobits per second? With this, you could have 100 people listening at the same time, and it would only use about 10 megabits of your network.
So it's not going to crash the public Wi-Fi?
Not even close. It's super efficient, which is what makes it scalable. And they do scale. There's a smaller AudioFetch Express for maybe 100 listeners, all the way up to their signature product for stadiums.
For over 10,000 listeners, I saw.
Exactly. And the quality stays high because each audio channel gets its own dedicated processing power. So a spike in users on channel 5 doesn't affect channel 22 at all.
All right, but the real moneymaker here isn't just the hardware. It's this administrative tool they have.
The Doghouse portal. Yeah. This is what shifts the device from being just a utility and expense into a potential profit center.
So define the Doghouse for us. Is it just a settings menu?
Oh, it's much more than that. It's a cloud platform that's also an advertising server.
Ah, okay. Now I see it.
The venue can upload and display image-based ads right inside the app interface that people are looking at. So the sports bar can sell that ad space to, say, a local brewery.
So they've turned a customer convenience into a whole new revenue stream.
Precisely. And because the portal also gives you all these usage metrics, how many people listen, for how long, which channels were popular, they can go to that advertiser with hard data.
You can prove the ROI.
You can prove it. You're offering a better customer experience, building a sense of community, and you have this powerful, measurable marketing tool that literally pays for itself.
So if you tie this all together, the final thought here is pretty interesting.
Yeah, it really reframes how you see public spaces.
It does. It basically challenges you to look at any muted screen in a gym, an airport lounge, a waiting room, and to stop seeing it as just silent wallpaper. It's not just there.
It's an opportunity.
It's a potential point of engagement and monetization just waiting for someone to turn the sound on.